Okay, y'all, it's a really good day. It's another unboxing day, and no, y'all cannot get them. Even the resellers jacking the prices up on these, just like them fives. I'm coming for them fives next. My wife gonna be on the lookout for the restock on them UNC fives. I gotta have those. But anyway, today's unboxing is special too. Yeah, what we got here? Ooh. Yeah, let's check them out. So we got the Playoff 13s. Really classic shoe. Something y'all kids don't know about. Very classic. I wanted these shoes in the 90s. It was people getting shot over these. Y'all just don't know how big this shoe was when it came out. Man, got the leather, got the suede. I love those bubbles on the 13s. And no, I don't never take my plastic off, so don't even ask me. But yeah, y'all, might have to rock these tomorrow. But yeah, anyway, like I was saying, y'all can't get them. The resellers jacking them up, and most of y'all don't even be paying attention. It's always a restock, like 2 or 3 days after they release the shoes, and my wife always catch them. So we waiting for them blue fives. I know she gonna get them for me because I'm probably be asleep or something, just like she been getting every pair for me. And I'm not telling y'all from where, but she be on them restocks though. And yes, they're legit. But yeah, y'all, I like how they did the leather, just so nice. The suede, then that red bottom just set it off. But anyway, y'all, it's been another good classic unboxing video. Stay tuned to the next one.